In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Smart Rotate iOS 18 on your iPhone. So the Smart Rotate allows you to rotate whichever words you have in the photo widget or on this widget on your iPhone. So the Smart Rotate will not make this fixed on your iPhone. So this is going to rotate automatically. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to enable Smart Rotate on iOS 18 is press and hold the photo widget just like this. Here, you have 4 options available here depending on which of the widgets you selected. If you press and hold it like this, you're going to see edit stacks, edit home screen and remove stacks. Then if you come here and select on this, then you should see edit clock depending on the widget. And if you click on this, you should see edit stacks option again. But if you select calendar, you should see an option that says edit calendar on home screen. Now to enable Smart Rotate, all you just need to do is click on this widget, then click on edit stack. Then you'll be able to add more widgets to this particular widget. That's widget inside of a widget. By clicking on the plus icon at the top left, then come down here and select the widget you want to add to your iPhone home screen widget. So let's say I want to add maybe the series suggestion. Go ahead and click on that. Then click on add a widget. Then you'll have all this widget inside of this widget. If you click on done, this is going to save. That's it. Then you have multiple widgets here. However, to now enable Smart Rotate on this widget, just press and hold the widget like this. Then click on edit stack. Then you should see Smart Rotate on here at the bottom left. Turn this off by clicking on it. Then this will stop rotating this smart widget on your iPhone. So all you need to do here is go ahead and click on the done button. There you go. So this is going to fix. You can see you need to manually do this to rotate this widget. Otherwise, you're going to have one single widget here without rotating it. Now to disable the Smart Rotate, you just need to press and hold again. Click on edit stack and then turn on Smart Rotate. So that's all you need to do to enable or disable Smart Rotate on iOS 18 on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.